Hello, I'm Lily Villarreal. You know, to follow me and follow you because sorry I did not answer in your FB because I'm very busy. You know, there in my FB page, I will follow you and follow me all another country. Uh, Thank you. You follow me, share and like because in my house there are many work in my house. So every day walk and work because there are many expenses in my house is did not answer in your follow. You know, there in my EP page, I will follow you. I will follow and I I will like and share. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Follow me ha. Follow you and follow me. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mini thank you.